Bharat Bhai, Bharat Bhai, photographer, if you can please come to the stage for 1 minute. Chalo, 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 chalo. Warriors, Royals, please start.
Guys, let's start. Let's start. Please set the field. Batters are already on the ground. So this is the eliminator round. The winner of this match will play Mavericks for the second qualifier. Lot of things are at stake. Both teams have been in the good form. So Athar will start the proceedings for Warriors. Team Ninjas, please come to the stage. Team Ninjas. Manoj on strike. Some last minute changes there. What is happening? I think the camera is being set up. The DRS camera at the bowler's end is being set up. First ball, it was out of reach on the offside, very near to the wide line. Manoj misses it. A dot ball to start with. There was a run out chance there. Manoj had come. The ball was straight in the hands of Yash. But he threw the ball at the wrong end. Allows them a single. 1 run, 2 balls. As Manish Thakur, powerful shot on the onside, only for a single. Score is 2 in 3 balls. Good start by Atharv. What a wonderful catch there. It was driven powerfully on the leg side. Yash gets a hand to it, and Akram completes the catch. So Manoj is gone. The first wicket falls. The score of 2 runs in 4 balls. Good beginning for Warriors. Gunjan Manish Thakur makes room on the leg side, but gets crammed it and only takes a single. So first over completes 4 runs. It's an important match. The winner stays in the championship. They will play Mavericks for a spot in the final. Second over, Gaurav Dubey is ready. Manish Thakur to face him. That was almost a wide ball, but Manish tries to heave it through the onside. Dot ball. A full ball that was in the hands of Shahwaz. A run out chance, but he misses it. And I think it is also 1 run overthrow. It went in the declared area, just below where the camera has been set up. So score moves on to 6. That was a full toss ball. It was a missed opportunity by Manish. Only a single. 1.3 over 7 runs, 1 wicket. This was no ball declared. There was a run out chance. And it has been given out by the umpire. So Gunjan has been run out. So hell lot of confusion going on there. Both batsmen were almost at the same bowler's end. And then Gunjan misses out. They get one run but also loses Gunjan's wicket. New batsman on the crease, Jayesh. No ball दिया क्या? No ball has been counted. Okay, well stopped by Yash there on the onside. He's at the floater position. No run there. Powerfully driven. The safe single by Manish. Huh? नहीं देखो नो बॉल दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को चेक करो नो बॉल था कहाँ है दिया I think guys hold on I think the scorer is making some changes. I think the run out ball was a run ball देखो दिया कि नहीं no ball थी but it was not given counted हाँ now it looks okay 9 runs अभी ऐड किया होगा अब ऐड किया होगा इसलिए 9 रन दिख रहा है ना good shot on the leg side only for a single 2 overs जो ये रन आउट हुआ है उस बॉल पे नो बॉल भी थी नो बॉल डाला ही नहीं है बीच में पहले डाला चेक कर ले ये जो रन आउट हुआ था रन आउट वाज ए नो बॉल ठीक है
हाँ नो बॉल लिखा है तो
कहां पे
गौरव टू गुंजन पिटी नो बॉल आउट
हाँ अब दे दिया ना इसमें ऐड कर दिया अब दे दिया अपडेट कर दिया ये इमीडिएट अपडेट हो रहा है थोड़ा टाइम लेता है ले रहा है टाइम powerful shot by Jayesh straight up for a 6 जैसे उस पे आ रहा है फास्ट इस पे ने इसको रिवाइज करने नहीं दिया था उसने पूरा वापस रिवाइज किया Shampy to Jayesh he tucks it around the corner for 1 run score moves to 17 in 2.2 overs good shot powerful shot still in the hands of fielder and a quick run score is 18 for 2 in 2.3 overs Nas Nas
शैम्पी बॉलिंग और शैम्पी पैर से रोकते हुए और अपने दोस्त मनीष ठाकुर को हक देते हुए दोस्ती यारी में रोक दिया ओह व्हाट अ रन बाय जयेश गुप्ता स्लाइड करते हुए पहुंचे थोड़ा इफेक्ट के लिए थोड़ा टाइमिंग के लिए
diving save by Jayesh there everybody is giving their all in here 19 for 2 very good bowling by Shampy he's not giving Manish in his hitting zone he's keeping it away from Manish and Manish is trying to play the shots on the leg side only and he misses out on this one a dot ball 19 for 2 in 3 overs Royals need to pick pace from here they have got 18 balls left they would love to reach 55-60 kind of targets to make a match of this
And Ojas at the bowling end.
Good shot by Jayesh. It was on drive for a single. Ojas to Manish.
और एक स्वीप और सीधे फॉर फोर. अथर्व ने कोशिश करी, अकरम ने कोशिश करी, दोनों नहीं रुक पाए. और एक और सिंगल क्विक. It's a no ball and a free hit. Jayesh Thakur is very good at converting those. Will he be doing that for this ball?
Is that a no ball?
It
Or a
was
white
a
ball?
free hit. Free hit. There is
So
no
umpires are still
stumping.
checking. Is that a no ball or a white ball? If it is a no ball, he won't be out. And it is a no ball. It is a no,
No
ball.
ball.
Ball was directly above the stumps, I think. That is the reason. मेरे ख्याल से स्टंप के ऊपर गई डायरेक्टली.
नहीं, the other thing is also free hit पे आप नहीं कर सकते स्पाइक.
वाइट पे यू आर स्टिल स्टंप. नो बॉल पे इट कैन नॉट बी स्टंप्ड.
ये फ्री हिट थी और फ्री हिट पे भी स्टंप नहीं होता है.
नहीं, फ्री हिट पे होता है नीचे रख के मारे तो.
वो रन आउट करना पड़ता लगा के, लेकिन ये
नो बॉल थी तो हुई.
नो बॉल है कि नहीं, वो एक डाउन है ना.
नो बॉल दिया.
नो बॉल दिया तो
दिया,
है,
दिया.
वो रिव्यू लिया है लोगों ने, रिव्यू लिया है. स्टंप के हाइट के अगर नीचे से बॉल क्रॉस हुई क्योंकि उसने कलेक्ट
तब तो नो बॉल नहीं है.
तो नो बॉल नहीं होगी, कैंसिल हो जाएगी. कलेक्ट उसने बिल्कुल नीचे किया.
It's an interesting thing. I think the question is for whether it was a no ball given or not.
अरे फ्री हिट था क्या?
स्टंप के बाद नीचे कैसे कलेक्ट करेगा?
बट फ्री हिट क्यों था? फ्री हिट क्यों बोल रहे हो? इसके बाद का नो बॉल थोड़ी था.
भाई वो बाहर आया ना, बाहर आया तो वेस्ट का निकल गया, बाहर आया तो वेस्ट का निकल गया. अभी स्टंप के हाइट के ऊपर जाएगी तो ही नो बॉल है, वरना नहीं है.
Have they asked for the DRS? Bowling team, have you asked for the DRS? No. So no DRS asked for. We can move on. Is it a no ball declared? It's a no ball given.
White ball and
no
a free hit.
And free hit. Okay, no
Free hit.
ball and a free hit. So Jayesh survives that scare.
3-4. Great shot.
Great shot on the offside. Doesn't give Shampy any chance to stop that ball. It was a short ball. 3.3 overs, 31 for 2. And that is out. Straight into the hands of Akram. Akram doesn't make those mistakes. And Jayesh is out. 31 for 4 in 3.4 overs. For 3.
One of the safest hands of this tournament. We've been forced to say these lines by Shampy. We want to keep everyone happy, especially Shampy.
Being Sandy on the crease.
Almost a catch by Ojas.
That is the first ball. There was a single there, striking in.
A good confident single by Royals, giving Manish Thakur the strike, but it was the last ball over. Strike change again.
4
Sandeep-
overs, 32 for 3.
अभी वॉरियर्स थोड़े कंट्रोल में लगते हुए, बट अभी भी 2 ओवर्स बाकी हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. रॉयल्स के पास 2 अच्छे हिटर्स क्रीज पे हैं, सैंडी भाई एंड मनीष ठाकुर. और बॉलिंग पे आ रहे हैं पाई लाई डाई, आवर वेरी ओन पाई लाई डाई, अकरम.
It starts with a wide. Wide off. That was inside the crease.
It was inside
That
the
was
line.
dot
It was
ball.
a very good ball.
Has he nicked it? Is an appeal? No, it's a dot ball. Sandy misses that ball. Good bowling by Akram.
Finally getting a connect,
It's
but
a boundary. There's a ground shot, powerful shot, should have been stopped. But Ujaz fumbles it.
a very
It's
needed
the boundary.
boundary by the Royals to keep themselves in the game.
37, 4-3 in 4.3. And it's a drop catch by
Oh!
Shampy. It was straight in his hands. Easy chance. But Shampy drops it. Sandy survives. Score moves to 38-4-3 in 4.4. Akram to Manish Thakur.
शैम्पी के सेफ हैंड्स थोड़े कम सेफ पड़ गए. एक क्रूशल कैच था.
Now
रमेश
spinning
ठाकुर
out.
safely play करते हुए.
Thakur plays it safe. Takes a single. Last ball for by Akram.
And it is a wide, very well acrobatically left by Sandy Bhai thanks to his spin classes. Again, a very good ball by Akram. And Sandy Bhai not able to connect that one. 6 बॉल रह गया, 40 का स्कोर है. Can Royals fire this up and take it to at least 50, 55 maybe? What do you think?
They will try that. They would love to get 60 on board. 60 anything, 60 and beyond is a tough ask to chase here.
All these elimination matches, elimination stage are very high pressure. And I think the team which manages to keep its cool is the one who can move ahead.
Absolutely. Cricket is a mind game. People who lose their cool lose the match. Yash bringing in the last over, Manish Thakur facing.
And
Ball.
in the safe hands of Akram Pailadai.
Manish Thakur came down the track, make it a half volley, but he couldn't get the elevation. Straight into the hands of Akram, and he's out.
ठाकुर तो गए हो, says Shampy. लगता है एक और कैच छूट ना जाए.
40 for 4 in 5.1.
Mahi has been bowling final last overs for Warriors and doing a good job, I think, in this tournament. He's really come a long way.
Jayesh is runner for Sachin. 5 balls remaining in this innings. He hits it on the offside. And Sachin was also running. His runner was running. Will that be counted as 2 runs? Or 2 runs should be subtracted from Sachin's inning?
I think the question that Warriors are raising is why does he have a runner if he can run? And that too so fast in jeans.
And the fielding team has made an objection ki if he can run so fast, why does he need a runner? I think Jayesh will have to go back. And Sachin is now limping to the runner's end.
सचिन दूसरा पैर था. सचिन दूसरा पैर पे लगी थी बेटा.
I mean, we have a lot of directors and producers watching this show. We have Oscar Lever acting here, performance here. Please take note.
A round of applause for Sachin's performance, everyone, please. Yeah!
और किसी की आवाज आई है कि ओवर एक्टिंग के 50 रुपए काटो. A powerful shot!
Oh, it was a shot.
missed
It was a catch.
Missed catch by Ojas. It was straight in his hands. He lobs it, goes for a 6. Score moves to 40. These mistakes can prove to be costly in the end. Fourth ball. Tries to heave it, couldn't manage. Just a dot ball. So 2 more remaining, 47 for 4. Can he hit 2 sixes? Can he hit 2 balls out of the park?
Gaurav Dubey really likes to make the umpires work. Kicking off the stumps every ball. Yes, Mahi. Let's do the Mahi dance. And it's now another what bowling Mahi is displaying.
Good bowling by Yash. It was spinning ball. Sandy tried to do a cover drive for a 6, but it hit the ceiling. He's out. Last ball, a new batsman on the crease.
I think the Madhyani brothers are going to open a bowling school soon. Both of them. Family-owned business.
Yash has really bowled very well in this entire tournament.
While we wait,
Last ball, I think Sachin. And Sachin had moved out of the crease. Mahi Yash has hit the stumps and is appealing for out. So are we going to see our first man-kidding in this tournament?
yeah, Shampy's not happy about that. Sachin is giving
View
us
Carlo.
Let's enjoy it.
Last ball.
Guys, we need to move the match along. There are many other matches that we are playing. Let's please finish this innings.
I said no ball given. And they quickly scamper through for a single. Score reaches 49. Still one more remaining. Scorer, please check. It was a no ball. One moment, please. Umpire, please hold on. I think scorer needs to correct the score.
It's a family show, Ritu bhai, please. Please mind your language.
One more no ball, and batsmen have taken 2 runs. They have taken 2 runs, so total 3 runs. 52. They have this silly and maybe costly mistake happening on the last ball of the first inning.
And it's a free hit. Their total has come up to 52, which is good for Royals. And it's out on the second run.
Okay, this time he gets run out. Okay, the batting team has applied for a DRS, feeling that it was a. I think they are appealing for the loop no ball. I think it was. Above the height of the batsman, then it's a no ball, no matter whether the batsman has come up or not.
I don't think it was.
It was
But I think it was above the
very high. So anytime, even if he leaves the delivery, even at that point,
Any
if
point
it's
of
above,
time, if it
any
is
point
above
of
the
time
height,
it's above the high,
no ball.
which it was.
I think it was.
superb man. अगर
The dhak dhak starts. Question is whether it was a no ball or not. In any case, the batsman is run out, and they will get a minimum of 1 run. But if it is a no ball, an extra run will be added, and 1 more ball has to be bowled. We are waiting for the umpire's decision on the DRS call.
जीडी भाई माही को समझाते हुए कि देख, अपना बॉलिंग स्कूल खोलने से पहले थोड़ी इतनी जल्दबाजी मत कर, इतने प्रेशर में मत आ। और कुछ रॉयल्स और वॉरियर्स के बीच में समझौता होते हुए दिख रहा है।
Umpires are ready with a decision. So
And
it's
they've
not a
decided
no
no
ball.
ball. The innings is over. The total is 52, a target of 53, sorry, and a target of 54 to win
Yo,
for the
cricket rap.
Warriors.
क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने
ISL box couldn't do no Yo फुटबॉल आपको धागे बरुमा बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा लैली जिंदगी चौकों के मारा ISL में क्रिकेट का त्योहार सोसाइटी के ग्राउंड पे सब आओ यार आज खेलेंगे क्रिकेट होगा धमाल पार चाहे बैटिंग करो या बॉलिंग संभालो मौका मिले तो स्टंप्स भी उखाड़ो कैडेट्स लेडीज किड्स भी साथ इसी बहाने बढ़ेगी हमारी बात ये मैच नहीं एक जश्न बड़ा हर चीज से ऊपर दिलों से जुड़ा करके बहाने दोस्त बनाने हर दिल को पास ले आने 4 रन हो या छक्का लगे मस्ती में सब झूमे झमेले हटे
And Team Queens, Royals coming on the turn.
अंडरआर्म कर्म क्रिकेट पर फुल है दम हर शॉट में जान हर गेंद में रम बाउंड्री छोटी पर सपने बड़े टीम का जज्बा सबको जोड़े लड़े एक ओवर में कमाल दिखाओ बैट से बड़ाल से धमाका मचाओ शोर मचाओ गाली बजाओ ट्रॉफी की चमक से महफिल सजाओ क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने हर दिल को पास ले आने साथ में खेले साथ में झूमे फिर मेरे क्रिकेट से चमके त्योहार
Riders are missing here. Only Sandy is here on the boundary. Guys, please set the field quickly, please. We need to move on. Sandy पीछे आओ, अभी अपने जगह पे आओ जल्दी जल्दी. जयेश भाई पीछे आओ. The batters are already on the crease. I think Gaurav and Rahil are the openers. Gaurav taking the strike.
कुणाल सूर्य नमस्कार करते हुए अंधेर बट रात हो गई भाई।
प्रतीक भाई मैं तो सैंडी को बुला रहा था। अरे पीछे बाउंड्री पे आओ यार, जल्दी करना, मैच शुरू करना जल्दी।
चलो रॉयल्स वॉरियर्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस मैच क्विकली प्लीज, दिस इनिंग्स क्विकली।
ठाकुर आ जाओ, चलो। Okay, 54 required, 36 balls, and the winner gets a chance to fight Mavericks to become the finalists. Kundan is going to start the proceedings for Royals. Make some noise, guys, come on. A great chase is coming up. Kundan to Gaurav.
Gaurav Kurukshetra at the crease. Oh,
First wicket falls on the second ball.
What a catch for someone who was limping 2 minutes ago. What a catch.
And Gaurav is back in the pavilion without disturbing the scorers. 2 balls, 0 runs, first wicket falls. That brings Shahbaz on the crease. Kundan to Shahbaz. 4 balls to go. All kind of things happening there. The batsman managed to get a single of that ball in the end. Score is 1 for 1 in 3 balls.
Her ball intense hote hue. Everybody on the edge.
Rahil facing his first ball. Kundan and Jayesh is in a huddle.
And it's a wide ball. A confident shot by Rahel. Quick single. Good hit by Shoaib. उनके टीम वाले बोल रहे हैं कि जब वो बाहर हो तब मारो.
3 runs in 4 balls. All kind of mix up.
Arey, what a running by Sachin! What a running by Sachin! ऐसा लग रहा था कि सचिन शाहबाज का रनर है और उसने शाहबाज को बीट कर दिया स्टंप से. वाओ! But what a sprint! What dedication! इंजरी के साथ भी. इंजरी के बाद भी.
तो सचिन को डेफिनेटली रनर तो नहीं चाहिए था, ये प्रूव हो गया है.
सचिन
दूसरी
बीच बीच
चीज
में
prove हो-
ऑल्टरनेट करते जा रहे हैं कौन से पैर को लिम्प करना है.
और दूसरी चीज ये भी प्रूव हो गई है कि एक्टिंग बहुत ही उम्दा लेवल की है इनकी.
सीरियसली.
So 5 balls, 3 runs, 2 wickets, guys. Getting tough for Warriors. Not the greatest of a start they would have wanted.
Oh, a direct hit to the stumps would have done it. Rahel took a little slow start, struggled to reach. Was a very good attempt by Shoaib.
Warriors need 50 runs in 30 balls now. 5 overs, 50 runs required. A tough ask, but they have got Akram on the crease with Rahil supporting him. This third over, I think, can be crucial. If Kunal can keep it very, very tight, he will make life very difficult for Warriors.
Please specify what does Kunal need to tighten?
Get him in the right areas. Don't give more than 5-6 runs in this over, and that will do the job. Usually gets Akram on a strike. That was a dead ball. I think the closing fielder was moving as the bowler was delivering the ball.
And it's a wide. Akram, showing his intent to charge, was back in the crease in time to avoid a stumping.
Strike facing Kunal Sukhani.
I think these two batsmen need to cement the partnership a little bit, settle down for a few balls, and then start hitting.
Absolutely. And Rahil falls to the commentator curse. The moment we are talking about it, they need to save wicket, he throws his wicket away. Just the second over, third wicket falls. Only 7 runs on the scoreboard.
Just the opposite of what we were just discussing, that he just went for the shot. I think it was a little premature.
That brings the second southpaw of the team on the crease, Ojas. Tucks it on the leg side safely for a single.
Somehow Akram needs to stay at the crease for more overs.
Yes, absolutely, if they wants to win this.
And getting lost in the excitement of having stumped Akram, Manoj missed that. Ojas had almost reached that crease and come back. Good running by Ojas. Safe but confusion. There needs to be a little more coordination among the Warrior players. They need to get their groove, find their rhythm. And he comes down the pitch and hits it for a 6. Exactly what he's been wanting to do.
It's a four,
Sorry, it's a 4. My bad, it's a 4. I give you back 2 runs. Sandy Bhai is giving me dirty looks. He's not happy with the commenting right now. Sharma gaye.
2 overs, 12 runs, 13, 3 wickets down.
By dirty, I don't
They
mean
need to
asleep.
score 42 runs in 24 balls. And Akram says no to that. He said no to that single. I think it was a safe single there.
No, it was
Good.
actually a good call, because it was in Manoj's hands. It could have been dangerous for him. It was his call, and I think
2 dot balls.
oh my God! Oh
And
my
Akram has been-
God! The discord and the tragedy in the Warrior team continues. Yes. I think they
It was hit straight to Sukhani. Akram tried to take a single, but Ujaz said no. It was a very good throw right in the hands of bowler who took no time to disturb the bails. And Akram has been run out. What a tragedy.
Oh, and Oja's wicket almost fell. Almost good bowling by Shoaib and almost a catch by him.
4 dot balls. An appeal for a stump.
Manoj decided to lie down on the pitch. He's not happy. He will not move till the umpires give a decision. He's made it his home. Ritu bhai, what do you think? Should there have been a DRS taken for Akram's run out?
I think there was no harm. He is the most important batter. He should have taken that DRS.
It's a wide ball. Oh, and Ojas misses to connect. And it's a collapse. Slight collapse in the batting.
Warriors losing their way here. Their 5 wickets are down, only for 13 runs. Akram is already back in the pavilion. It will depend upon Shampi to be supported by Athar if they want to make a match of this. So on that Akram run out, I think there was no harm in taking that DRS. It was a very close call, and we have seen so many times when it is not a direct hit, the camera can show a very, very different picture.
Yeah. But also, I think if Akram was confident or not sure, he would have asked for the DRS. I think he
Yeah.
was sure that maybe he didn't make it.
Sometimes the replay shows that the bells has been disturbed, stump has been disturbed before. Shampi moves to the leg, a powerful shot, but fielders Manish Thakur saves it, only a single. 3.1 overs, 14 runs, 5 wickets down.
And
a lovely
Athar
shot
was
by
very
Athar.
confident. Athar's always delivered in that whenever needed to hit a 6. Very smart bowling, very smart batting as well by Athar. Can Shampi and Athar
Yes.
bring this innings back for the Warriors?
They need to take it deep.
Oh my God!
There's a run out
Another
chance here.
another confusion run out almost. But
Champy
good
was
running
running
back by Champy.
Champy was running like a hare there. But Athar was send him back, and rightly so. He would have been run out. Champy survives. Comes down the pitch, but is stayed in the hands of the fielder Sachin there.
The Royals are appealing that the bat came in the way, and it was
It's a dot ball, 21 for 5. And a brilliant shot by Champy down the leg side. There is no chance for Manish Thakur to stop that ball. Way of his height. Score goes to 25 for 5. Warrior needs 29 runs in 12 balls. That is the equation, guys, right now. 29 runs in 12 balls. I think this fifth over is going to be crucial. कौन है? Jayesh.
Jayesh Bhai coming. Need to be curbed or wickets taken. Oh my God! And another confusion in the running. And Champy is out. It's 25 for 5. It is getting tougher and tougher for Warriors.
And I think it was Champy's call. It has gone beyond the keeper. It was the runner's call.
It was the Athar's call, the batter's call.
11 balls, 29 required.
Good calling for the running.
Yes, plays this safety, tucks it around his legs for a single.
The
20
single, I don't think singles will save their runs. They need to go for big shots, but yeah, they need to save wickets also. It's a very difficult situation.
They need to hit a couple of them in this over to have any chance in the last.
It's a wide.
26 in 9 required.
Oh, very good bowling by Jayesh. Athar unable to connect. Milan, who's substituting for Kundan, is getting a little bored there. He's looking like mera match kab aayega?
26 in 8 balls required. Atharu.
And
Comes
Athar
down the
charges again,
track.
but it doesn't
Shot,
manage
but it
to
goes
hit
to
the
the net.
boundaries. I think the Royals are clear. They're okay to let go of the singles. They're saving the boundaries. It's a very big ask. 25 runs in 7 balls. Doable, but big. And a wide. And a very sensible hit by Yash.
Is that a 6 or a 4?
Umpires consulting whether it's a 6 or a 4. It's a 4.
4 signal by the umpires.
Yeah. Every
Score is
run
34
matter.
in 6. 34 in 5 overs.
Okay, it's nail biting now. 20 runs in 6 balls with Yash and Athar at the crease. anything can happen.
Can the young guns produce a miracle here?
Yeah.
20 runs in 6 balls of Sachin is not an easy thing to do.
Speaking of miracle, I hope Sachin's foot's better. And here falls the wicket for Athar. Sachin delivering another.
It was a good ball, spinning out. He tried to make a straight shot, slices the ball.
Gaurav Dubey, the scout
very
of the
easy-
Warriors,
easy
who put
catch.
this team together, coming on the crease for one final attempt.
Last two
One.
batters on the crease.
5
GD.
balls will decide their destiny.
Is that a wide? Yes.
It's a
ball.
wide. Every run matters. Bowler is injured.
3 sixes required.
And it
Ah.
stuck to Jayesh's hand like a magnet. A fly attracted to lights. And
A
Sandy
good attempt.
Bhai and Kunal Sukhani are very happy. After the match, we should ask Sandy Bhai the meaning behind his jersey number 69.
Good ball. Good catch by Jayesh there. But Yash is not giving up right now.
Yash, their last
Giving his
batsman.
best. 18 requires in 3 balls. The powerful shot, but down the ground, only a single.
Two.
17 into required. Technically,
One no ball needed.
Royals have
3 sixes. Can this happen? And Sachin Ashleel चीजें करते हुए
and that is all over
and
for Warriors.
this concludes the campaign for Warriors for this season. Good
Yes,
job,
right.
guys. Royal moved to fight another match with the Mavericks. Another ticket towards their journey towards the finals. Hard luck for the Warriors. They soldiered it. They tried to soldier it. But the Royals, or the Royals, as we are told, have now to